Okay, this is a walking audio test of my Sony Bluetooth headphone. No, just kidding. This is just to give you an idea of what it's going to be like listening to audio. I guess this is the best way when I try to turn on the Bose frames tempo and see whether you can hear the audio that will come out through the frames when I turn it on. So let's see how that works. So let's press the button on the right hand side and oh, it's already on. Let's turn it off and see whether the audio picks up on the Bluetooth. That's off. Not sure whether you could hear that. Now I will play some royalty-free music, but let's turn it on first. Right, that is on, and I'm not sure whether you could hear that. I've now turned the volume all the way down, and I will press play on this YouTube video of Best Non-Copyrighted Music 2020. I will walk and I will start pressing the button on my phone from mute all the way 0, and I will tell you what's 1. I can't hear anything. Well, no, let me just take off one of the so I can hear something at least. And 2. Can't hear anything yet. 3. Yep, I can hear something now, but it's not very audible. 4. It's a bit background noise now. 5. Not sure that you can hear anything on the Bluetooth headset yet. So I'm now at 50%, I think. Oh, 50%. That's 50% on the, it shows on the phone volume, but on the Bose app it shows it as being at a third. Let me see if I can swap the camera around to show you what I mean. Is there a way of swapping the camera? Nope. Let's keep doing this. Right, I'm going to turn it all the way up to that's 75% on the phone. And on the Bose app itself, let's see. I'll turn it all the way to 75%. And you can see on the going to go all the way up to oh, sorry, YouTube app, an app, skip app. And you Wow, this is a bit uncomfortable now. That is like... It's really loud. I normally have it at about this volume. And I hope that gives you an idea what it sounds like.